On tonight's episode of Shadows and Sightings, we're going to be talking about the Ithaquah, the Windwalker. Ooh. Most people think that winter storms are just the weather. But in northern legend, storms have a name. Ithaquah, the Windwalker. A towering figure seen striding across blizzards, his eyes glowing like frozen stars. He hunts travelers who wander too far from camp, lifting them straight off the ground and carrying them into the sky. People found after an encounter with the Ithaquah, their bodies show no injuries, just frostbite in the shape of fingers around their arms, as if the cold itself grabbed them and just went yeet. And here's the part that gives me chills. Some go missing forever, never to be found again. Others return years later, alive but changed, their eyes always staring upward, like they're always watching something walk across the clouds. How terrifying is that?